So in this video, we are going to discuss about the last minute tips to score well in Merchant of Venice. This is for class 10 ICSE. So these tips are very important for the students who find difficult to answer the question of Merchant of Venice, and they have a fear also that they cannot score maximum in Merchant of Venice. So that is a myth, that is not true at all. We definitely can score well in Merchant of Venice. So some quick tips we are going to follow which will help us. Let's see. Number 1. Understand the plot of the play properly. Some students find it difficult to answer the question about the relationship, like discuss the relationship between Antonio and Bassanio, about the tricky and twist questions of Merchant of Venice. For them, you have to read the play properly. If you don't understand the plot, you will definitely be not able to answer the tricky question. Okay, so understanding the plot of the play is important. Tip number 2, read the play very well. So this one is related to tip number 1, like 2 या 3 बारी से नहीं होगा students. अगर आप सोच लोगे कि ठीक है 2 या 3 बार मैं पढ़ लूंगी प्ले पूरा समरी वाइज, नो, एटलीस्ट 5 या 6 टाइम पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा. You can follow the guidebook of Xavier Pinto, there the detailed summary is given, but you need to go through the Old English form of Merchant of Venice, that is your main prescribed book. You cannot avoid that. Tip number 3, don't study only the trial and the casket scene and go. So the student who have gone through all the scenes, they know that the trial and casket scene is very important. But if you only go through this trial and casket scene, you will be in a problem. You will definitely face the problem while solving the thing, because if the question comes from the trial and the casket scene, then it is okay. But if it does not come, then at least आपको एक question तो करना ही पड़ेगा from Merchant of Venice. तो तब आपको problem हो जाएगा. So avoid that risk. Tip number 4 is read the characterization of each play properly. So 4 major characteristics is very important. Number 1 of Antonio, Shylock, Bassanio, Portia. These are the 4 major characterization that you have to read. So if you have time, students, please go through all the characterization. From there, the main importance of them you should point out. Tip number 5 is there is no template about the length of each answer. So बहुत सारे student ऐसे question करते हैं कि मैम कितना लिखना है, how much should be the appropriate length of the answer. तो ये एक question है जिसका कुछ सही तरीके से आंसर नहीं है, क्योंकि हम एक टेम्पलेट नहीं बना सकते कि इस मार्क्स के लिए इतना ही लिखना पड़ेगा. आपका मैक्सिमम मार्क्स मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस में 4 ही आता है. सो वहाँ पर रेयरली 8 मार्क्स कम्स. सो फॉर 4 या 3 मार्क्स आपको क्वेश्चन देखना पड़ेगा. क्वेश्चन देख के उसका एग्जैक्ट पार्ट, एक पार्ट के लिए मार्क्स डिवाइडेड रहता है. तो एग्जैक्ट लेंथ आपको मैं बोल नहीं सकती, पर क्वेश्चन देख के आपको वो वेटेज में आंसर देना पड़ेगा. वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दैट. टिप नंबर 7, quote phrases that are used by Shylock, Bassanio, Portia, Antonio. So there are many quotes, important quotes that are given by these persons. So at least आप 10 quote list करके रखो अपने notebook पे. That will help you a lot. Next comes 10 important scenes from Merchant of Venice that you must study. So this is for the student who are in shortage of time and are wanting to pick some scenes or act that they can study. So yes, this is important. You can go through, and for this academic year I have pointed out some scenes, but Act 5 is omitted from your syllabus. But for the next academic year, students, you must follow the Act 5 scene also. That is very important, the concluding scene. Okay, so other than that we have Act 1 Scene 1, that is the introduction scene. This one is the most important because the introduction scene we cannot omit. Act 1, Scene 2, Portia Narissa's conversation. Very, very important. Then comes Act 1, Scene 3. This is the conversation between Shylock, Antonio and Bassanio. Act 2, Scene 1. Introduction scene, that is introduction of Prince of Morocco. Prince of Morocco is a person who brings a lot of humor with him. So students आप इसे omit नहीं कर पाओगे, ये करना ही पड़ेगा. फिर Act 2, Scene 7, that is the casket scene of Morocco. Casket scene of Morocco is also very, very important. Next comes Act 2, Scene 9, casket scene of Prince Aragon. Act 3, Scene 2, the casket scene of Bassanio. This Act 3, Scene 2 I know is very lengthy, but you have to opt for it. Act 3, Scene 1, the conversation scene of Tubal Shylock. Act 4, Scene 1, this is the trial scene or the courtroom scene. So these are the scenes. I think you have noted it completely because these are very, very important. Next is in this question, firstly, the students have got confused or have written it wrongly. They have stated that King Morocco. That is not the correct thing. You have to point out Prince of Morocco only. Next is you have to give the correct words like he has said, do not mislike me for my complexion. This thing and what, give a brief description of this thing also, that what does it mean, that he has urged Portia not to judge him for his complexion or by his complexion. It is the shadowed liver of the burnished sun where he was born and brought up. So can you relate to my tip that I have given, that you have to list some quotes, because here if you don't understand the quote, how will you write? Because you need to elaborate also. Okay, so this one is the fact that you need to remember. Next comes the second part of the question, that is, how did he introduce himself to Portia when they first met in an earlier scene? So here also in the second part, instead of writing about introduction of Morocco, many of the students have pointed out about his bravery and all. So there you will get a complete 0. So what you have to write? You have to write about he has told that his blood is as red as that of the fairest creature northward born, that the best regarded virgins of his land find him most attractive, that his appearance inspired fear in the most courageous of men. So this thing. Next comes point number 2 or the question number 2, that was how would Morocco know that he had made the right choice? What would be his reward? So here many of the students got confused. Instead of writing that finding Portia's portrait would be an indication for Morocco, they have written about the right casket, which one will be the right casket, or the inscription written over the casket. So this one you will get complete 0 because you are not writing to the point. So what will be the correct answer? I have pointed out one of the 3 caskets contained a picture of Portia. If he chose that casket, then he would have made the right choice. So very simple language I have written, but to the point. Okay, understanding the question and writing the answer will fetch you marks. Next comes his reward. What will be his reward? Portia's hand in marriage. So that only I have stated. Next comes the question number 3. Which casket did Morocco finally choose? What reason did he give for rejecting the casket made of lead? So the first question is objective question. Very important and very straightforward. Casket made of gold. Next question, the next part, that why he rejected lead, many of the students could not give the proper answer or the proper reasons. So why he rejected lead? First will be that he thought lead to be worthless choice. Okay, and he did not want to take any risk related to lead. Next is he also thought that the lead casket is too gross to even rip Portia's ceramic cloth. So for this reason he rejected lead. This is very clear-cut answer. Next comes question number 4. Question number 4 is, what two objects does Morocco find in the casket of his choice? What reason does he give to Portia for leaving in haste? So mainly here, first part is objective question, very straightforward question. But many of the students have written a fool's head, blinking idiot to be the answer. That will not the answer. What will be the answer? The two objects will be skull and a scroll. Okay. So many of the students got confused here and they could not fetch the marks. Next will be, what reason does he give to Portia for leaving in haste? This one is very much also straightforward, that he was too heartbroken to bid her lengthy farewell. He was sad and disappointed. What reason? He has given the reason that he lost his hope and could not have a correct choice. This does not relate to his valor and other thing. So mainly you have to point out the correct thing that you can relate to the play. So if the examiner find your answer not appropriate to the play, he or she will not give any mark. Next is question number 5. How does Portia respond to Morocco's parting words? What does this reveal of her nature? So the first part, many of the students have written correctly, that they have given the quotation, that is correct, but you need to describe also about the quotation. And in the second part, many of the students got confused and they have written Portia in a negative light. They have also used the word like cunning, crafty and also such word that I can remember, but the negative word. Okay. So no, you have to give the correct viewpoint. That is, Portia judges a person with outward appearance. That is correct. Next is she did not like the vain boastful attitude of Morocco. Next you need to write that Portia has a kind heart also, as she was not wanting to hurt Morocco. Next, her love for Bassanio overrides her passion, that makes her wish that Bassanio is the one who could choose the casket correctly. Okay, so this thing you must include in the answer. So these are the key words. I think it was helpful for you, as many of the extract will consist of this questions that you need to answer correctly. So my last suggestion will be to please read the play correctly and have a clear view or concept of each play. That will only help you. And also please list the quotes or the phrases of each of the character. So thank you students. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. And for more details you can contact us, and the detail is given in the down portion. Please go through the Merchant of Venice. This is very important. All the best.